Hey everyone, meet again with me on the ArtCyon channel. Hope you all are always healthy. This time I will try to draw this character Son Goku, namely the main character in the Dragon Ball anime. In the anime, when first assuming the perfect Ultra Instinct form, Goku is covered in a black suit. While his feet are painted black and blue, and his hairstyle appears similar to his Super Saiyan form. This form is essentially identical to the initial state of Ultra Instinct, albeit with the user hair becoming silver in color. The hairstyle is slightly wilder and more solid than normal, having no loose trend. The is taken a moisture, the finite shape, sporting silver-colored erasers and visible purple. The user can accomplish silver and blue aura consisting of rippling, fire-like energy, completed with sparkling particles of a magenta color. So, this is what we will be working on today. This is the drawing project this time, namely Goku Super Saiyan Ultra Instinct. Let's get started. Let's prepare your 2B pencil, HB pencil, ruler and eraser. Follow my drawing method. First, make two cross lines like this. Next, make a circle the size of the two cross lines like this. And create a horizontal line below the horizontal line created first. Now, let's put a vertical line below the circle like this, which will later be used as a guide line for the neck. So, now first create Goku's face using the guided line created previously. Okay, it is done like this. Next, below this vertical next line, create the anatomy of the human body with lines and circles like this. So, now draw Goku's body by following the guided lines and circles. Let's do it. Take your eraser. Once it is done, let's erase all the guided lines and circles with the eraser. Well, finish it like this. Take your coloring tool. It is up to you what you use, whether it is marker, watercolor, acrylic paint, crayon, pastel, or color pencil. Here I use colored pencil. Next, let's color the draw that was made out loud using your imagination, creativity, and artist instinct. Perfect Ultra Instinct, often sampled referred to as Ultra Instinct, is a powerful divine transformation that harnesses the complete power of autonomous Ultra Instinct and the direct step up from the incomplete Ultra Instinct second. Come on, support my channel by clicking the subscribe and like button below this video. And if you have questions, suggestions, critiques, and opinion, please fill them in the comment column. Thank you. Use a black pencil to outline the drawing. Use a three types of brown pencil to color the skin: dark brown, yellowish brown, and wood brown. Use two types of gray color pencil for his hair: dark gray and light gray, and add a purple color pencil for his head. Now use your heart, soul, and artistic instinct to do this coloring job. Let's always be grateful for all the pleasures we always get. I am grateful to be able to have the advantage of making work of art, to be able to help the audience enjoy interesting spectacles. In Super Saiyan Ultra Instinct form, Goku's power skyrockets far above what it was previously, making him the strongest he has ever been in history, ranking among the most powerful entities in the multiverse. Returning to the drawing project. After coloring with color pencil, don't forget to blend with a blender pencil. Move your color pencil back and forth and color evenly in each section. Use color order from dark to light. Color Goku skin evenly until finished. I need to keep practicing this coloring technique. In this coloring process, Goku's skin uses more bright color because it is covered in sparkling particles. Dark brown pencil is only used on the dark side like this. The rest uses more wood brown. Prepare 3 kinds of color for blue pencil and 3 kinds of color for orange pencil. Look for the order of color from dark, medium, and light. With the blue pencil prepared previously, color this part of Goku's wristband and color the torn cloth around Goku's waist. At Goku's waist, 2 of his clothes were torn. The first is blue underwear and the second is orange outer clothing. So color this part orange. Then continue with the belt part where the cloth is wrapped. Color is blue and down to the pants, color is orange. And remember, the order of color is dark, medium, and light. Color from the dark side with colored pencil starting from the dark color to the light side with a black color. Okay, it is done. Now let's start coloring with 2 kinds of blue pencil and 1 purple pencil. It is time to color the sparkling energy particles that cover Goku's body. The form is noted to have godly divinities with the ability to possess divinity in Dragon Ball Heroes upon seeing Goku's Ultra Instinct scene in perfected Ultra Instinct form. Heart noticed he possesses the power of the gods who are Heart. Heart is one of the prominent villains in the Super Dragon Ball Heroes anime, with unique gravitational power and the goal of exterminating the god. Okay, that's it for the Goku Super Saiyan Ultra Instinct drawing project. See you again in my next video. Thank you and goodbye.